amazing. I want you to always feel you're amazing. I want you to always feel you're amazing. You're amazing.
Say you don't know how to do it now, so you run. It's not that you're bleeding, but you're through it now, so you run. I know that you need it, you can't live alone, so you run, so you